Hi, today I will discuss about dimension. I'll show you how to modify dimension and how to put it in your drawing layout. Let's start. So this is the dimension before that I made. In the previous video, it's actually it's already showed already. Only now I will show you how to modify dimension style, this one, and how to put the dimension here. Okay, first, usually the dimension is not here, not there, it's here on the tab here. Linear, align, arch, this one, all of these you can use as dimension. Now how to put this dimension icons here for us to easily click the dimension that we want, not on this one. Just right click here on this space, right click here, AutoCAD, and then dimension. It show it here. Usually it will show like this. So just pick this dark gray here, drag, don't release. Then when you think that it's already here, attaching here, just release the button left of the mouse. See? Okay, now we'll just try to copy this one, these two lines. Copy. Then we'll try to copy this the style of this dimension, but changing the color also. First, you will see here that the default, usually the default is standard, not this, because this one that I made already standard. So when you, let's say I will not adjust the standard first, I'll just put the dimension of the lines, click this linear if it's straight, if it's linear, if it's aligned, it should be like this, no, inclined, it should be aligned. Then this is arc length, this is ordinate or coordinate, radius, jog, diameter, angle, and we have a continuous, baseline, etc. All of this I will not gonna discuss all of these functions, only the major parts only. Actually the major parts is linear, aligned, arc length, radius, diameter, angle, and continue. Other than that, no, only this one. Okay, first we're gonna put on the, click on the linear. Always remember to, if you're making dimension in your layout or in the object, always turn on object snap, F3. Okay, so you're sure that it's connected to the endpoint, midpoint, like this. Okay, dimension, linear, place the crosshair near to the corner like this. When you see the square already, just pick left button of the mouse, pick again. Let's say you wanted to put the dimension on this length, you just put place the crosshair near to the corner. When it touches, like it show this square, it means you are already in the endpoint of the line. So pick, left click, button mouse, then drag. You'll see that there's something line, no? Just drag it. It's either inside or outside. I prepare it outside. Click. Same thing. Remember, no? The last command, if you make another enter, the last command that you made, it will be repeated. So no need to click this linear again. So okay, let's say I will click the linear, pick, place near to the corner. When the square appears, you can click the left button of the mouse. So it's pick, go down, pick, move it outside. Here, same thing, outside. Here, same thing, outside. Here, same thing, and outside. Now this, since it's inclined, we have to use the aligned. Pick, pick. Make sure it's on the end point, touching the end point. Okay. Now you can see the difference here. The dimension of this, you can see 3000 millimeter or 3.0 meter. Here you cannot see it. Why? Because this default standard dimension style is in meter. See, we made our drawing millimeter, so instead of line 3.0, it's line 3000. So it's coming here 3000 because we made it millimeter. Okay, so how to do it? The same thing like this. Big number, big this style, no? Go to dimension style, click new, and then let's say you change this new style name, dimension. Yes. Now the first thing you're gonna do is go to the fit, use overall scale up, let's say 500. You will notice something in the dimension. Okay, okay. You have to select first the dimension of the standard before applying the dimension style. You'll just open this one, pull down menu, pull down tab, then select the dimension that you made the dimension style. Pick. See, now it's appear. Now question is, this one, there's no point. This 1500, it's aligned to this line. Even the incline here, it's aligned to this. So how I made it? Go back to dimension style, click the dimension, the name that you made, modify, go to text, make this vertical above, align with dimension style. See, it's changing here already. Then let's say change the color, text color red. Don't put any color on this fill color, it will gonna fill the, see, it went black, so no need for this one, none. Then after that, go to symbols, change this into oblique, circle, anything that you want. I will make it oblique, and then go back to text. So this one's okay. Lines, change the color to red, it will change something here. See, extension line is this, left, right, red. See, now let's see what will happen if I check this dim line 1. See what happens there. Dim line 2. See, it's not appearing, no. Extension line, click. Extension line, click. So now you know what is the purpose of this one. Now in the symbol and arrows, no, not this one. Lines, in the lines you'll see offset from origin. It means from here to here, that is 625. So if I'm gonna make it 1, enter, equal, okay, close. See, because from this point of the object that you want to make the dimension, they will gonna put like go back from this point. He will gonna offset at 1 meter, then he will gonna start the line. So what happen is, if you stretch this dimension, see, it means from here to here, that is 1. From here to here, it's not 1, it's 500. Why it's 500? It should be 1. Or it's divided into 2. Yeah, maybe. Now extend beyond dimension line. Extend beyond dimension line, I don't change it. Actually, this offset origin, I don't change it also. Let's put it back to 0.2. Okay, close. Yes. Now modify again. Symbols okay, text okay, fit okay. Primary, I want to remove this. It's this one. In the primary units, just remove and put 0 only. Okay, close. See, now again modify. In the primary units, you will see there's a round up, there's a prefix, there's a suffix. Let's say prefix is, you're gonna put like a nm, mm in the prefix. So in the first here, it will gonna show mm. That's the purpose of it. Or in the end, mm, like this. Now here you can make a round up this scale factor, no? I can make this thing in 3.000 by making this change 0.001. okay, close. Now it's 3. Modify again, go to put this thing into 2 digits. Okay, close. It's like that. Everything will gonna change. Now you want to put angle here, just put click, click, then pick again, pick again. So it means this angle here, we're gonna put a line, reference line, click, pick 135. This is 45 from going from this line here, that is 45 degrees. You can put an angle there or degree. Now if it's circle, there's a circle here, you can take the radius like this. You can take the diameter also like this, or going inside. Now in the dimension, whatever the orientation that you're gonna make, let's say I point it out here and here, this is 100. You will notice that if I go from here the dimension will gonna go from this side. If I go from here to here, the dimension will gonna go on this side. Now if it's here and here again, it's either you make it like this or you make it like this. Always from the right side. You make it from here to here, going to down and going to left side. So if you go like this, dimension will be there. Go like this, dimension will be there. And I think it's that's the basic of it. Then you can make a layer for this one. You can add a layer. Let's say add layer, dimension. So if you want to lock this dimension, like the previous video about layering, you select all of this dimension, or from the start you made the layer dimension and then select the dimension dim. Then if you want to delete only this one, these two line, without clicking like this, you want it to be all like this, and without deleting the dimension, just go to layer. Since this dimension is already linked to this layer, just lock, click the lock, enter. Then if you delete, it will not delete, it's locked already. Now vice versa, you lock the layer 1, layer 2, the red and the green. No, undo first, yes. Now vice versa, unlock the dim, lock the layer 1, layer 2, click. Now if you want to delete the dimension without if you select, you want to delete the dimension and then you select all, and you don't want to delete this one, make sure that this layer is already locked. Now if you delete, press delete in the keyboard, see, and you cannot move it because it's already locked. So that's the importance of layering in all of the drawings. And that's it. Thank you.